everyone, this is Joy and you're watching Enjoyable Characters. Today, we are going to start with the character car. 车 The middle part was originally a wheel, but now it looks like a square divided into 4 tinier squares. But what if you don't have a car? What do you take then? The public transportation. For example, 公车 which means public vehicle, because 车 means car and also vehicle, and 公 means public, the public vehicle, the bus, 公车. And where do you take the 公车? At the bus station. Station in Chinese is 站 which means station and also stand, to stand, because stations don't go anywhere, they just stand there. Vehicle stations in general is 车站. It can mean the bus station or the train station. So what if you want to say train? You actually only need to add one simple Chinese character, which is 火, fire. If you look close enough, you can actually see the flames. 火车 is train. Fire, vehicle. Why fire? Because trains used to run on steam, which is created by fire. 火车. Where can we take trains? At train stations. 火车站. 火车站. Well, that's all for today. Thank you for watching Joy's Enjoyable Characters, and 再见. 再 means again. 见 is meet. I'll see you again. 再见.